And this is a common sight in many households that use these large bulk laundry detergent containers. You just routinely get the detergent leaking down the front of the bottle there and just making a mess. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up, shall we? That's much better. Now it's ready for today's 3D printing project. So this is actually a cup holder that just sits on the end of the detergent bottle, as you can see here. So that way you can have the detergent sitting on the shelf like so and not worry about spills or leaks, and you can dispense right into the detergent cup. I did print this in PETG, but PLA should work just fine too. You can see here it's set up in our laundry room next to our washing machine. I tried it out with a load of laundry and was happy with it, and then when my wife actually saw it, she commented that it was the best 3D print that I've made yet, so she's pretty happy with it. Check out the video description for a link to the model, and thanks for watching.